Hi, everyone. As we begin our week of cheer and our cookie exchange on Monday, I was asked to share a little bit about what Christmas cookies or cookies mean to me. And it's actually Christmas cookies, I guess. Growing up, my mom and family used to make cookies at Christmas time every year, and we used to give them out to neighbors and friends and teachers. And I remember one Saturday in December, my mom and my aunt would get together and make only two cookies. It was called a butterhorn cookie and a nut and raisin cookie. And it was a day of event, and I would usually sit in the back and taste test and as they came out. And it was a big deal as a part of my family, a part of growing up. When I got married, my wife's family also had the tradition of making Christmas cookies and made a ton of Christmas cookies and shared them with neighbors and friends and teachers. So when we got together, we came up with our own tradition of making cookies, and we shared a little bit of cookies on each. One of my favorite cookies that my wife's family makes, that my mother-in-law makes, is, I call it a potato chip cookie, but it's more of a pecan type cookie that has potato chips in it, and it's a special cookie to me because she makes it especially for me every year now as Christmas goes on and on. The other piece so family means a lot to me, and Christmas means a lot to me, and cookies mean a lot to me. And there was one other cookie that I wanted to share because it has to do with the Manor family. When I started working at Manor, I'm sure many of you remember Shirley Collister. She worked in the business division. She sat in the business division. She worked on the Perkins grant. And every year at Christmas time, she used to make coconut macaroons and would share them with us. And now that's a cookie that my family makes. So I shared in the cookie exchange three of the cookies and a little bit more of a story if you want to read. The butterhorn, the potato chip cookie, and the coconut macaroons. So I hope everybody participates and shares, and hopefully we all enjoy making new cookies and just hearing different stories of what other people like. Merry Christmas.